Hello everyone and welcome back. In our last lesson, we looked at comprehension and how understanding a text is the key to success in the reading SATs. Today, we're learning two techniques that can save you valuable time during the test: skimming and scanning. These are skills that strong readers use every day, and they'll help you find information quickly without having to read every single word over and over again. Let's begin. Imagine you've just picked up a new book in a library. Before deciding to borrow it, you might read the title, the first paragraph, the headings, maybe the final paragraph. You're trying to get a general idea of what it's about. That's called skimming. Skimming means reading quickly to understand the main idea of the text. You aren't looking for every detail. You're asking yourself questions like, what is this text mainly about? Is it fiction or non-fiction? Who or what is being discussed? What is the overall message? Skimming is just to understand what the text is about. You're not trying to get information out, you're not trying to answer any questions, you're just trying to understand what the text is about, and everything you can understand just by quickly reading it through. Skimming is useful at the start of the reading paper. Before answering questions, quickly skim through the text. Notice headings, subheadings, pictures, captions, the first sentence of each paragraph, and any words that stand out. And remember the trick I told you, the stop and jot. After you finish every paragraph, make a quick drawing or a quick notes on the side, just a couple of words to summarize what that paragraph was about, so you don't have to read it again. You just look at your notes to understand. Scanning is different. Instead of looking for the main idea, you're searching for one specific piece of information. For example, imagine a question asks, on which day did the competition begin? You don't need to read every sentence from the beginning all the way to the end. Instead, your eyes search for dates, days of the week, or anything related to the competition. You're going to go to the area of the text where it talks about the competition, where it mentions some sort of time or day or date. That's where you're going to immediately go. That's what we call scanning. Imagine a non-fiction text about polar bears. One question asks, what do polar bears mainly eat? Rather than reading every paragraph again, go for the paragraph where it talks about food. Scan for words such as eat, food, diet, hunt, prey. These keywords guide you towards the answer much faster. A common mistake that a lot of students make is confusing skimming and scanning. Remember, skimming is finding the main idea, and scanning is finding one specific detail. Think of skimming as looking at the whole picture, while scanning is using a magnifying glass to find one important clue. Let's try a quick activity. Imagine an article with the heading, "How Bees Help Our Planet." If you skim the article, you should quickly realize it's about the importance of bees. Now imagine the question asks, how many flowers might one bee visit in a day? This time you'd scan the article to locate the number. I'm going to go to the area of the text where it talks about flowers, where it talks about pollination, or that specific paragraph that mentions numbers. you're gonna look, you're not going to go and read the entire text. That's the difference. Today, you've learned two powerful SATs techniques. Skimming helps you understand the overall meaning. Scanning helps you understand and find specific information quickly. Practice using both whenever you read, and you'll become a faster and more confident reader. Especially when you're doing past papers, make sure you use these skills because it helps you with time management, and it really helps you with time management because you only get 60 minutes and reading the whole text again is not ideal. In the next lesson, we'll look at one of the most challenging reading SAT skills, inference. Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for learning with me. Bye bye.